Word on my
You
way.
already know I got it. Can't keep flexing on you when you can't stop this. You already know.
Okay, so to cover my brows, I'm using concealer. I really like concealer. I believe it's Light Sand in the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm using a Anastasia, whatever the brush name is, brush to carve out my brows or outline them. And then I'm going to fill them in with the concealer. And then I'm going to set them with some translucent powder. Now I'm going in with a dark green shade from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm putting that on the end part of my brow, and then I'm going to go in with a green shade and put it in the front to reverse the ombre from the other side. Now I'm just carving out my brows with a super light concealer. It's almost the lightest shade in the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I want a really highlighted look, so I just went with the lightest shade I could find. Now I'm going in with this dark green shade from the Morphe 35V palette, and I wasn't really sure what I was doing at first, so eventually I just did a full cut crease, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a fluffy Morphe brush. I'm not sure the number, but you can use any type of fluffy brush to blend it out. I'm using the same really light Tarte concealer to cut the crease, and then I don't know if I showed it here, but I'm using a translucent powder just to set it so it doesn't crease when I open my eyes. Here I'm using the Wet n Wild Skinny Precise Mascara. I used this product, well, I mentioned this product in my last video in the Ulta Beauty haul, so check that out if you haven't seen it. The next following products should be from that haul. I tried to incorporate as many products as I could in this video. Okay, so the foundation I'm using is obviously from NARS. It's the shade Macao. And I think this is like the Sheer Glow foundation. And the next thing I use is the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420. The concealer I use is from e.l.f. in Deep Olive, and I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11, I believe. And now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany, and I'm using a Morphe brush just to blend that out. Here I use both of Sasha Cosmetics butter powder. The more yellow one I'm using now, and the lighter one I'm going to use in my inner corner just to brighten it up a little bit without giving me any ashy vibes or any flashback. Now I'm using the Morphe blush palette. It's 8C, it's the cool version. I definitely need to get the warm version because this does not look the best on me, but it's what I had. I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeliner. It's in an electric blue color, and I'm gonna do my waterline, and I'm going to add a little cat eye thing in the inner corner just to elongate my eyes a little and give it a better shape. Now I'm using a dark brown lip pencil from a beauty supply store to outline my lips. So I'm starting out with the dark green eyeshadow that I used earlier on my brows. Then I'm going to put a really light concealer that I used on my lids in the middle part of my lip. And then I'm going to go in with a lime green eyeshadow that I used on my brows and blend the dark green and the really light concealer together so it's more of an ombre and it won't look really chalky. So this is the final look. I actually really like how it came out. This is a whole freestyle too, so that's really good. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell. And I'm gonna add some extra pictures that I took and post it on Instagram.